Oh my God, my whole dryer is filled with water. What do I do? What's going on? Is this going to cause a fire? Do I have to call a plumber? Do I have to call the dryer guy? What am I going to do? Oh my God, there's moisture in my dryer. Hi, I'm Justin, professional dryer vent cleaner, and the biggest concern I get, especially now when it's in the warmer months, is, oh my God, my dryer has water in it. Oh my God, what's going on? There's water in my dryer. Now, there could be a couple of reasons why there's water in your dryer. The first one is really bad, and that is if your dryer is completely 100% blocked with lint or another obstruction and there's no airflow, and you keep putting wet clothes into your dryer, and the dryer is simply not drying, and all that moisture is going to build up in the dryer vent, and as that water gets in there, air can't go through it, and then your clothes aren't going to dry. Then you need to call a dryer vent cleaner or do it yourself. Make sure you get airflow restored to your dryer. Now, how do you tell if your dryer is clogged? Number one is you do your laundry and your clothes simply aren't drying. You have to do 2, 3, 4 cycles and your clothes aren't drying. Another way to confirm it is to do the paper test. That's when you turn the dryer on and you put a piece of paper up to the airflow spot and see if there's airflow. The third one is if your dryer vent leads right to the outside of your house, or you're comfortable, or you have a professional that's comfortable going up on your roof, just simply turn on your dryer and go outside, whether it's on the roof or on the side, and safely see if there's any airflow coming out. If you turn on the dryer and the airflow is great, blowing nice and strong, everything seems to be working, your dryer is getting hot, then this problem really isn't a problem. This is caused by moisture and hot air from the outside of your house. So right now, my house is at about 73 degrees. My wife likes it cold while she sleeps. And so the outside temperature here in Florida is about 92. So now you got 92 degree air going through the vent, and the house usually has negative pressure. You have fans going, stuff like that, HVAC systems. So it's pulling the air. So now you're getting hot air into a cold, ice cold, basically refrigerator, 70 degree dryer over here. So what happens when you take a drink out of the fridge, you take a water bottle or a soda out of the fridge, you get that moisture, you got to use your coaster, you get that condensation. So that's what we're seeing in here. This moisture that I'm getting, see all that moisture that we're getting is caused by condensation. So what can you do about it? Number one is you could just wipe down the inside of the dryer with a paper towel to get rid of the moisture and run your dryer. Your dryer is a dryer, so it will get rid of the moisture anyway, as long as your dryer is working properly and has good airflow. Another thing that some of my customers do is they get those like damp rid moisture remover bags that some people use in their basements or closets, the rechargeable ones that you could put in the microwave. Some people will leave those in their dryer during the hotter months. Another thing that you could do is if you have a AC vent in your laundry room. My laundry room only has one AC vent. So what you can do is you can actually close that vent or close it a little bit. Just don't mess with your whole HVAC system. So now my air just turned on. So I'm getting ice cold air from here blowing right on to my dryer. So that's what could be causing it. Another thing is make sure that your dryer, if it's on the side of your house, make sure the fins are operating properly. It should be closed when the dryer's off and then open when the dryer's on. Also on the roof, most of them have a flap, so make sure that's working. Make sure the flap is there and that it's closed when you're not using the dryer. But again, these are not completely airtight, so you will still probably get moisture. Another thing you could do, I'll leave links down below for these things, is you could get a damper so it goes somewhere between where your dryer is and where it lets out, and it only allows air to go out of the house. It doesn't allow air to go into the house. So I've installed a lot of these. They do help sometimes. It's, again, not guaranteed, but if your dryer is drying the clothes, functioning properly, then you really don't have much to worry about.